Exercise 1.13. First, let's enlarge this worksheet. Okay, and there are some standard input we need to have before we explore. So let's see 25, 30, 60, 4, and 2. And in the column C, we have other numbers. Let's see, 46, 2. Okay, and in the column B, we have the minus sign. Minus sign, press enter and copy it downwards. And here in the column D, we have the equal sign. Enter and drag it downwards. So apparently we have some functions here. So 25 minus 10 equals, as you know, 15. But in the E1 cell, we should have A1 minus C1. So this is a formula. And press enter, it calculates the 25 minus 10. And if we copy this formula downwards, it actually calculates all the other functions that's in play. So you can see that when we drag the formula downwards, all those relative cell references will also move along. So this is the main idea of the exercise 1.13, to let you know if you have a formula and copy it elsewhere, the cells that's in the formula will follow the formula. This is exercise 1.13. I'll see you in the next video.